Hey there. So I'm gonna record this for the second time because the first one my big ass face was blocking most of the fucking screen. So today what I'm gonna show you is how to know um how to know if another real estate agent or broker are running ads, or an agency are running ads, what type of ads they're running and what those ads are. So let's get some coffee first. But let's jump right into it. So we're gonna go into Google. Well, I love Google, right? And it might get, just so you know, just to give you a little heads up, it might get a little. I will let you know what's going on throughout the video because I need to switch browsers. This browser that I'm using is called Vivaldi, and I use it for work basically. So I need to keep two signing accounts separate. So that's why I use two separate browsers. So again, I'll let you know. So we're gonna start by estate agents near me, right? Because that's what we're gonna look. We're gonna see what our competition is doing, if they're doing anything, and what exactly they're doing. So we have a few whatchamacall results here. So if we go into more places, right? Because trying to see what's around now. Right here, the first two usually on Google, when you go on Google, the top are going to be Google ads, and it's going to be right there because it says ads. Now the thing with that is, you know what, I'm not a Google ad expert. I have some knowledge of it, but I'm not, so I'm not going to bullshit you with that. I'm a Facebook ad expert. So we'll talk about these two or Google ads in a later video, because this is just trying to keep this short. So we're gonna see right here. See, it says no reviews, and it's a real estate agency. So if we click on it, I mean, doesn't, okay, well, whatever. We're not here to judge. We all make businesses here, and if you only saw my freaking room, oh my god, make us some coffee. But all right, let's get into it. So there's so we're gonna select that one, and we're gonna see if they're running any marketing, because it looks like they're not, but I could be wrong. So we're gonna go into their website, and I'm gonna copy their website. This is when I'm just gonna switch browsers right now, but I'll explain why. But it's still this is so I'm gonna close this, and I'm gonna open the browser that I usually use. And I'll tell you why. There's in order for you're gonna need a Facebook Pixel Helper extension for Google Chrome. I'll show you how to get there. So we're gonna search for a Facebook Pixel Helper, and that should be the first. It's a Google Chrome extension. I have it already installed, so it's gonna tell me to remove it, but yours should say add or install to Chrome. So you're gonna install that, and what that's gonna allow you to do, now we can go to their website, and this is their website. And just to be safe, let me pause the ad block, my ad block software or extension. I love it, by the way. And right here, what it's telling us is like no pixel found on blah 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 the website. Ad and tracking blockers can prevent pixel fires, but in this case, I had already whitelisted it. So that means that even if they come to their website, they're not really gonna know. So we know for a fact they don't have. I mean, they have everything else. Look, they may have a chat bot because people need help. Because, but and by the way, just again, I'm just going with beginners. Actually, those that actually want to like know how to do their own marketing. Facebook Pixel, it's a piece of code that goes onto your website, on the code of your website. There's a way to install it. You should be able to YouTube how to install not Google. There's a phone, Google Pixel, literally Google Pixel. And I'm a geek, so I always get confused. But it's Facebook Pixel. How to install Facebook Pixel, and if you have Shopify, put Shopify. If you have some other websites, then it's helpful, and I will show you how I'll do it, but not in this video. This video, remember, the objective is to find out what type of ads they're running and the ads they're running. So that Facebook code is going to allow you to, again, retarget people that have been to your website. They just keep tracks of who has visited your website, for how long they've been there, and it gives you some information to it. So I'm going to go back to to their whatchamacall, right? So we have their website, and we're gonna go all the way to the bottom. We know they don't have any, and we're gonna go. Remember, Facebook and Instagram are one of the two main big ones. So Instagram is owned by Facebook, so we're gonna go into their Facebook, and this is their Facebook business page. We're gonna go on the left hand side of the screen, all the way at the bottom. Well, not all the way, but like right here, you're gonna see the page transparency. That will tell you basically when the page was created, where it's being managed from. But if you see this right here, where it says see all, it gives you even more information. This is kind of a gold mine. Now, just for shits and giggles, all the way at the bottom, you see right here where it says ads from this page, it says this page is currently running ads. Now, if for any reason you see where it says that button option says go to ad library, if for any reason you don't see it, it could be a couple of things, but the main thing is you have an ad blocker installed. If you do, make sure you whitelist Facebook and refresh this page, and it should show up. So again, we go to the ad library, and this is the gold mine, because right here it will tell you the ads that they're running, the pictures that they're using. They're basically showing you the ad that they're running, and as we can see, they're all say the same, and this is because they are in the testing. They're actually going after like page likes. So if we see the ad details, it basically, when it comes down to your home, we don't want you to live with it. We want you to love it long and foster. I read like a first grader, don't worry. But yeah, that's about it. Their call to action is to like the page. So what we can conclude from this is that we don't know anything about this. You see, it looks a little, it looks a bit professional, they're doing okay. I mean, if their main purpose, it's 3 hours away from me. If their main purpose is to actually get page likes instead of leads, then again, they all have different objectives that they want. In this case, they're paying. Basically, they are paying to get more likes on Facebook. I mean, so we know that this 45,000, it's they're I mean, again, not really sure why they're not for like lead generation, but then again, we can go into it and find out more about them and whatnot. But I guess the thing is, if they're doing good, or you think they're doing good, or you think they're running ads, or you're wondering if they're running ads, this is how you find out. So anyways, that's it for me for today. Again, this is the first video. And on the next video, I'm actually gonna show you how to create the ad. That's another thing. But anyways, thank you for your time. And real quick, my name is Louis. I make videos about that I don't even know yet. All I know is I like businesses, real estate, and digital marketing. I'm trying to put that together into a community where we can all share knowledge about marketing, real estate, and just have fun, memes, jokes. Because yeah, I'm trying to keep this professional, but let's be honest here. I just want to have that human interaction, and if I can help, if you can help, and if we all can help, or we all have that positivity, then I'm here for you to help you. So yeah, talk to you soon.